What?
You said it was this way?
No, I know. I done told you which way it is 5 times.
And then get on that side and go
there. Yeah. Go. Go there and come right back. Okay?
Good.
Okay.
Stay together.
Subscribe to our channel.
Why?
Because our channel is awesome. Yeah, and you should watch it. A lot of stuff. Vacation, activities, yeah. A lot of trouble. Yeah, a lot of trouble. Yeah.
I signed my name on the dotted line when God called me. I told him I would go long as he fought for me. You gave me so much, God, you don't owe me. About to get my praise on, ushers, please don't hold me. Whoa, to know me is to love me. I got beef with nobody, so chill, homie. I'm seeing visions of better. I dare a demon to step up. I put him right in this place. Holy Spirit, have your way. Now I ain't judging nobody, and I don't practice karate. But if I'm kicking this truth, then they hit you. Oops. Now what's the scoop? What's the 411? Tell me where we meeting up so we can have some fun. Yeah, tell me how you feel. Yeah, I feel good. Got my swag on, walking through my neighborhood. See my brother down the street with a smile on his face. Grandmom on the grill, hope she fixed me a plate. You see them over there.
No, I'm talking about the blue one. You said we do it out. Do they have their little face mask? Okay. Check it out. Bogus.
Payback.
Alright.
Is this way?
What?
You said it was this way?
No,
I know.
I done told you which way it is 5 times.
And then get on that side and go
Yeah. Yeah. Go. Go there and come right back. Okay?
Good.
Okay.
Stay together.
Stay together.
Okay.
Look at my babies gone.
Oh my gosh.
They ain't got a clue. Brayley standing 3'1" and Heaven standing 3'3", and Dida standing 2'6". Look at them, y'all. I mean, they really think they going somewhere too. They were scared. They were scared, but they really think they going somewhere. Look at them. I'm gonna see if they can cross the street though. I ain't gonna let them cross the street. I'm gonna let them. See if they look both ways. There you go. Good job, Mush. Yeah, they ain't grabbing my son's hand. They just left him behind. They really gonna go. They gone, y'all. Watch this. Hey! A dog coming. A dog. Run. Come back. Hurry up. Look both ways. Come on, come on. There's a loose dog running around. Get back. Come on, boy. Girl. There was just a loose pit bull.
There was?
Yeah.
No, you were tricking. That was a prank? I knew it.